I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the
Hi guys! Good morning! And today, we're going to picnic. And bago yon, pupunta tayo ng karaoke dahil si Tem gusto kumanta. Well, of course, ako din. And dati guys, every week pumupunta kami sa karaoke. Pero, yeah, natigil lang kasi medyo na-busy na. So today, pupunta tayo ng karaoke. Then after noon, baka mag-picnic tayo guys kasi maganda yung araw. So yeah, let's get ready guys. And nakapag-ayos na rin ako and ayusin ko na lang yung mga dadali namin para sa picnic. Juji ni oderu yo. So, yan guys. Grapes and then yung green grapes. Tapos, orange. Then, just in case, magdadala rin ako ng chips, banana chips, tapos itong Japanese snacks. And baka yung lunch, guys, bumili na lang kami sa labas and yeah. So, ito na lang yung dadali namin. And just in case, chopstick na din. Then, una. Okay guys, so this is my outfit for today. Top is from Zara and then also yung pambaba, yung bottom is from Zara also. Tapos ito naman jacket is from, or hoodie, jacket, is from H&M. Sobrang init sa labas. Today is 21 degree. Tapos, maaraw din. Kaya parang summer na. Init. Yeah. So, let's go guys. May libre din silang ice cream guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, yan yung drink bar nila guys.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games. The situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way.
ここで目に離せて座ること席君があれば俺の横が最後の就職先人目道ない謎のモデルないなってる場所じゃ他のダムの君を次に倒すよかったなに星など好きの流してオケに余裕レストランでなくまった人集まって
Hey!
For a ship from the storm, for a friend, for a love to give me safe heart. I turn to you for the strength to be strong, for the will to carry on. Friend, for a friend, for a love to keep me.
遠くの天使の手で窓辺が
I wish nothing but the best for you.
でさ見つけてからいらないよ僕が
So, yan guys. Tapos na kami sa karaoke. And ngayon, papunta na kami sa picnican. Banda sa may dagat guys. Kami pupunta. Kaya, yung lunch guys, baka sa on the way na lang kami bumili. Di pa namin sure kung ano yung madadaanan namin. Pero go with the flow na lang kami today. And yeah, let's go guys!
Let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
O ngayon guys, on the way kami sa Maihama banda. Then doon na lang kami mag-picnic kasi may dagat din tong view. So doon na lang. And yeah, hindi pa rin kami nakakapag-lunch guys. Baka sa Starbucks or kung ano na lang yung makita namin mamaya doon. Hopefully meron. And after nito, wala pa kaming planos. Guys, dito sana kami kaso sobrang haba ng pila.
マンションになってる。
Uh-oh. Wow. And full na guys. Ang ganda today ng araw guys, kaya sobrang haba siguro ng pila today.
他の駐車場ないよね。どうしましょうか。
待つしかないか。待つか。
違う駐車場探すかね。
Okay guys, so change plan tayo dahil sobrang puno talaga guys. And
しようか。
yeah, sobrang haba ng pila. Tapos sa ibang parking lot, nag-search kami pero doon din guys puno kaya ibang beach na lang kami pupunta, I guess.
それと羽田のところ行く。
So ne. So yeah, change plan tayo guys kasi ang daming tao, ang daming as in puno talaga siya guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
So lunch guys, dito na lang kami sa Family Mart order. Bibili na something. Tapos yeah, punta na tayo sa picnic spot. kami nito, guys.
いいよ。
全部
あ
好みで入れて。
Something beautiful. She mystifies me. Tell me what I did wrong. I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for. She asked for something more. She asked for. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful.
Uwian na, guys. So, ganito yung view niya, guys, dito. Wow. So nice. So, last summer, guys, dito rin kami nila ate nag-picnic kasama yung mga bata. Yung sila Crystal, Kaylin. Yeah. So nice. And baka next year kami rin nila George pag nandito na siya. So beautiful. So ngayon guys, on the way na kami sa Costco. Doon na lang kami dinner or bibili ng dinner. And after nun, baka pumunta kami ng Haneda Airport para tignan yung mga aeroplano. And Blue Seal. Yung ice cream dun guys, kasi sa Blue Seal may parang lasang ube ng Pinas. Dito na tayo guys. Ito guys yung binili namin, yung in-order namin. Hotdog, 2, then drinks, 2. Then manonood na lang kami dito habang naghihintay ng oras kasi masyado pa maaga para pumunta dun sa Haneda Airport. So yan, kain tayo guys. Ang sarap mag-travel guys. Bye! Have a safe flight!
Since you got me out in the open, now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're fine,